Hello, today we're going to learn how to add a simple border to a Google slide. And so we're going to start with a blank Google slide. So open up Google Slides and go to Layout. Click in Layout, and down at the bottom you'll find a blank slide. Once you are at your blank slide, you're going to add a text box. You can do that by clicking on the toolbar, or you can go to the insert menu and find text box listed there also. Once you click on the text box icon, you can click anywhere in your document and you will see a text box appear. We're going to resize that text box to fit our document, and where the edges of that text box is, that is where our border is going to be. So I'm going to do a page border by adjusting the edges to be about even. That's about good. And then there are these two choices up here, border weight and border dash, in which the border weight you can make the border thicker, or you can make the border thinner. Okay, and you can get really thick, or you can change it a little smaller. So we're going to pick the 3px. Then this other choice here is the border dash. Here are some simple borders that you can use. I'm going to pick a middle one there, and you have now added a simple border to your Google slide.